People from all over the world can cash out real PayPal earnings on this website. I'd like to look at these 2 for $10, which can go up to 50, and right here, if you scroll down a little below 150, and you can even get it up to 350, it's safe to say that these are efficient. Getting tens of thousands of dollars in our PayPal accounts is a daily fantasy for most of us. To get started, all you need is a smartphone or computer with an internet connection. You can do this from almost anywhere in the world, especially if you have a PayPal account. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it and how you can start earning hundreds of dollars in PayPal money every day. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, activate the notification bell, and leave a comment below asking whether you have an email account or whether you check your email frequently. By email account, I mean checking your email on services like Mail, Yahoo, Hotmail, Outlook, and others. Yes, you're in luck, because the information I'm about to provide you will enable you to make between $1,500 and $3,000 every month by simply reading and opening emails. There are no challenging sections. Simply click open and read the emails to start earning money. There are no requirements for prior experience or hurdles to clear. The more emails you read, the more money you will make if you stick around. Up to the end of this video, I'll demonstrate some incredible extra methods that will enable you to earn 3 times as much money as the ordinary person. First and foremost, daily paid emails will be sent to your inbox. You can get your money right away with prompt payment processing that takes no longer than 24 hours. They also provide a modest 15 pay limit, which means that you can begin paying out your earnings once you reach the minimum threshold of 15. If you activate your account, you'll receive a free $3 sign-up bonus, and using the daily paid service could help you earn additional money. Before we get started, I want you to make sure that you have these 2 things in your possession. As can be seen here, you may sign up for PayPal today and start with a personal account for free. Secondly, I want to make sure you have an email address. In fact, I recommend that you get a Yahoo email address right away. When you search for Yahoo on Google, Yahoo Mail is the top result, and you can use it right now. You can receive multiple emails and begin earning money online if you have a Yahoo Mail account, as demonstrated here. You can download it through the App Store if you have an iPhone. To get a free Yahoo email account, just fill out the form with your first and last names and email address if you have an Android phone. My second recommendation is to use a Gmail account. To get to this page, go to Google and search for Gmail, then click the first link that appears. To create a free account, just click this link and enter your first and last names as well as your username. Both the Google Play Store and the App Store once more provide Gmail. I want you to visit this website, paytoredmail.com, for step number 2. First and foremost, I'd like to demonstrate how to join up for a free account with a $3 sign-up bonus. You may sign up and receive a $3 bonus by hitting the send button as shown above. It's as easy as clicking that sign-up button. You must first select your gender, either female or male, and then enter your first name, email address, and password before pressing the sign up button. You can move on to this page as soon as you've finished the previous step. You'll see thank you, your account has been activated. Your paid to read email account is now active, and your account has been given a $3 sign up incentive. This is a brand new account, as you can see, and you can see your cash, which is $3. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. You should now be able to see free ways to get paid for your online activities if you scroll down below. For instance, take a look at cash surveys, where each survey costs between 50 cents and $1. To access this page, click on this button. As you can see, each completed cash survey can pay between 35 cents and $1. As a result, there are 3 primary categories. The first is your survey, to which you have unrestricted access. The second is opinion survey, which is likewise unrestricted. They also assert that if I click on the survey button right here, it will take me to this website, and I can start taking surveys in as little as 1 to 2 minutes and earn 50 cents just by doing that. All you need to do is choose your gender. For example, male, click the Get Started button, then enter your birth date in this video. I won't spend too much time on this because you can do it yourself. I'll give you an additional tip today to assist you grow your revenue on this website when you check into your account every day. Make sure you finish all of the Donata survey categories, limited to 10 surveys. They'll pay the money into your account once you finish the survey. As a result of finishing this category and completing 10 surveys, you can earn $4. After that, you'll have access to an endless supply of surveys that pay up to $5 per survey. The good news is that there are countless opportunities in each of those categories. You can easily conduct surveys on your phone and earn $1, $2, $3, or $4 for each survey you finish. If you've finished all the cash surveys, as you can see, all you have to do is click this button to be taken to this page, where you can earn 50 cents for your surveys, 50 cents for opinion surveys, and 40 cents for Donata surveys. Using this website, you can make additional money in this manner. Moving on to the most exciting part of this video, the last income stream you can create is as simple as reading emails and clicking on the link within them. You only need to click Open to read emails, and then you may click on the images or the button that will randomly take you to the website as seen above. Okay, sometimes they'll give you instructions, but most of the time you don't have to do any work. You can do this on your phone or computer, and after 30 seconds, you'll receive your money, and it will be credited to your account. When we go back to the dashboard, we can see that you received your initial $3 as a sign-up incentive. Right now, I'm going to open another email to verify that you're a human and not a robot. One thing to keep in mind is that they do have a special referral program, as you can see when I click on the More button. If you come to this website by clicking on Refer Friends, you can earn more money by referring friends, and if you sign up correctly, you'll get 15 of all referral profits. However, you might occasionally receive emails that pay you even more money once you reach 15. Once you reach that point, you can cash out all of your earnings. Share this offer with your friends or other people, and you'll receive 15% of their earnings without having to put in any work. That's all. If you're interested in more videos with similar content, check out my other videos. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell if you're interested in getting notifications.